This frequency distribution shows the scores that a statistics class received on their midterm. How many in the class scored lower than x equals to 75? All right, so we've got our distribution here, and the answers are either 2, 5, 6, or down at the bottom here, once again, cannot be determined. So we're looking to see how many people got a score lower than 75. Okay, so the simple answer is going to be that we just have to say that from here downwards, even though we don't know exactly what scores these people got, this one person got somewhere between 65 and 69, these 5 people got somewhere between 70 and 74, that makes a total of 6 people, so that's the answer. We just add up how many are below 75. But I do want to point out that this could be a little bit confusing. Considering that 75 to 79, that category, 75 to 79, has a lower real limit of a half step below 75. So that's 74.5. And it has an upper real limit of a half step above 79. So the upper real limit is 79.5. Now my category here, 70 to 74, it has an upper real limit just the same as the lower real limit of this category, 74.5, and it has a lower real limit equals to a half step below this. That would be 69.5, and so on. So this carries on this way, and it carries on this way. So why am I looking at these categories like this? Well, they're asking me how many in the class scored lower than 75. You might get a little bit confused here because let's say that we had some of these people, some of these 4 people here, who technically could have gotten anywhere from 74.5 up to 79.5. What if those 4 scores look like this? 74.6, 74.8, 74.9, and 74.9. What if these 4 scores look like this? Well, which category do they fit into? They actually fit into this category because this category takes care of anything from 74.5 up to 79.5. So these are all below 75. It could create some confusion. We don't know where exactly these 4 scores fit. I would prefer to see that the answer was cannot be determined, but I know that this is not what's marked as the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is actually 6. So if they're giving you an actual value, like just simply 75 here, how many in the class scored lower than 75? They're expecting you simply just to draw that line below the 75 and count how many are down here. So if you get a similar question, you don't want to be thinking about the real limits. You just want to be looking at how many fit into the categories that are below 75, as stated on the graph, or as laid out not on the graph, but on the frequency distribution here. So our answer is just a simple answer of 6. That's the total frequency below the category that begins at 75.